YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is a suction side pool cleaner. We're going to show you guys how to completely rebuild as well as do some basic quick fixes on the cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is one of their in-ground pool, suction side pool cleaners. So we're going to go ahead and kind of show you guys some cool quick fixes on these so that you guys know how to do the repairs. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this thing over and we are going to focus on these shoes is what they like to call them. So most of Hayward's cleaners have some form of these shoes. These shoes are basically just little feet, tires like most of the other cleaners have. This just helps it glide across the surface of the pool. So different cleaners are going to have different shoes based off of the material of your pool. So if you have a Pebble Tech, it's going to be a different shoe. If you're having a vinyl liner pool, you're going to have a different shoe, which is normally like these cork styles you guys see right here. Those are just meant to make sure that this thing will glide across the surface of the pool efficiently without getting stuck, and it also helps save a lot of the life of the bottom of the cleaner. So I want to show you guys how to swap them. It's really pretty easy. Again, even if you bought a vinyl style cleaner and you have a plaster pool, you're able to buy the plaster style shoes and swap them out. So really, really simple. First thing you're going to do is you're just going to kind of peel these out. So again, they're just a rubber. This one's like a cork. So based off of whichever one you have, it's going to be a different material, obviously. But all they have is these little rubber plunges on the bottom that actually plug into the feet on the bottom. So all you're going to do is just kind of peel them all off. Really, really simple. Again, it may help if you have a little flathead. This is a brand new cleaner, so obviously they're going to be stuck on there a little bit more than yours may be. Yours may have already fallen off, or they may just come right off. But they are sold as a 4-pack. We'll have them listed down in the links in the description for you guys to take you guys directly to these specific ones. Again, depending on the actual surface of your pool will be what kind of shoe pads that you'll want. So make sure that you either give us a call, send us an email, and ask us, and we'll make sure that you get the right shoes for what you guys need. But once you guys get your new ones, it's really simple. You always want to make sure that the flat side of the shoe, one side is actually curved, the other side is flat. You always want to make sure that the flat side is facing towards the inside of the cleaner. It just helps that as it moves around and rotates, that everything glides perfectly for you guys. So really simple. You're just going to kind of push it in. I ended up using a screwdriver to kind of help, because as you're pushing these down, the pods themselves will push in with you. So I need 2 hands to get this actually in. So it'll normally set pretty easy on the first set, and then you got to kind of don't be shy with it. You just got to kind of shove it in so that they actually fully lock into the cleaner and push all the way down in. Again, depending on which cleaner you have or how old your cleaner is, it might actually function better. But there you go. So really simple. You're just going to go around. You'll take all 4 new shoes. You're going to push them back in. If they're not able to actually sit into the pod case, you will need to replace the pod kit, the actual pod kit. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll get into that in a later video. But for today's video, I just want to show you guys how to remove and replace these actual shoes. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, check out the links in the description. We're going to have all these available to purchase directly on our website, as well as a contact us down there. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in, show you guys some more quick fixes for it. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.